Hi, Habitable Planetiers. My name is Khethiwe from the University of the Free State in Qwaqwa campus. I'm currently doing the second year of my master's degree where I'm focusing on molecular detection of zoonotic tick-borne pathogens. Now, zoonotic tick-borne pathogens are pathogens that are transmitted from animals to humans either directly by being in contact with the animal and through consumption of contaminated food products as well as through arthropod bites, which would be ticks in this case. So as we all know that climate is changing, as it changes, environmental conditions decline for some species, but they become favorable for others. For example, ticks, we have witnessed in the past decade or so an increase in the distribution of tick species across South Africa. So as the tick species increase, we are also expecting the pathogens that they transmit to also increase in their distribution. So what we do is that primarily we target for zoonotic pathogens which otherwise have not been known to occur in South Africa. For example, Anaplasma phacocytophilum, which is the causative agent of human granulocytic anaplasmosis in the US as well as in Europe. And then what we do is we develop rapid and sensitive diagnostic PCR-based methods as well as loop-mediated isothermal amplification based diagnostic tests to try and target these pathogens from the ticks as well as directly from the livestock, either by taking blood samples or tissue samples, etc. So after doing that, so it's a series of events. What we do primarily is to target the pathogens, and then others will then generate distribution maps of such pathogens in South Africa, and then others will then predict the future distribution of such pathogens. Others then will then be involved in development and implementation of control as well as eradication strategies of either the pathogen or the vectors themselves. So the main objective of my study is public health, and as we all know that a healthy environment means a longer lifespan for all its inhabitants. Cheers.